Good morning students, welcome back to online classes. See, we are doing our chapter number 4, simple equations and exercise 4.2. We have already done the first and second question in the last video. Now I am continuing with the third question. See, they have given, give the steps you will use to separate the variable. We have to find the value of the variable. In the first and second question, I have given you like example, value of the variable is not given, but we are going to find the value of the variable, like 3 plus 4x is equals to 8. So 3 is added to 4x, so we have to subtract 3 on the right hand side, on the left hand side, as well as on the right hand side. So it is plus 3 plus 4x minus 3 is equals to 8 minus 3 plus 3 minus 3 got cancelled, and 8 minus 3 is 5, and 4x is equals to 5 means 4 is multiplied with x, so we have to divide with 4 both sides. So 4x by 4 is equals to 5 by 4, so 4 and 4 got cancelled. So I got the answer as x is equals to 5 by 4. This is your answer. This type of questions we have done in the first and second question. That is, the value of the variable is not given, but we are finding the value of the variable by adding the numbers or subtracting the numbers. When addition is given, we are subtracting the numbers. When subtraction is given, we are adding the numbers. Here multiplication is given, we are dividing the numbers, and when division is given, we are multiplying the numbers. In the same way, we are going to do the third question also. See the third question, 3n minus 2 is equals to 46. First we are going to solve with minus 2. So minus 2 is given, so subtraction is given, so you have to add plus 2. So first step will be, we have to add plus 2 both sides. So this will become 3n minus 2 plus 2 is equals to 46 plus 2. I told you whatever you are going to add on the left hand side, you have to add it on the right hand side. Otherwise, whatever you are going to subtract, multiply or divide on the left hand side, you have to do it on the right hand side also. Then only the equation will be balanced and we are going to get the value of the variable correctly. So minus 2 plus 2 got cancelled. So I got the answer as 3n is equals to 46 plus 2, it is 48. Now 3 is in multiplication with n, so we have to divide. So next step, we have to divide with 3 both sides. So this will be 3n divided by 3 is equals to 48 divided by 3. 3 is in the numerator, 3 is in the denominator. 3 ones are, 3 16s are. So n is equals to 16. This is your answer. These types of questions we are going to solve it in the third question as well as in the fourth question only. Both. So first one more question. B part I am doing it. See, it is 20p by 3. 20p by 3 is equals to, they have given it as 40. See, in this question there is no additions or subtraction. They have given the multiplication as well as division. First we are going to solve it for multiplication and then we are going to go it for division. So this will become, we have to divide with 20 both sides. So this will become 20p by 3 into 20 is equals to 40 by 20. I have written here into 3 into 20 because 3 is also in the denominator and we have to divide with 20. That's why I have written 3 into 20. So 40 by 20 here. 20 here got cancelled. And here 21s are, 22s are. So I have got the answer as p by 3 is equals to 2. Now we have to remove this divide. So we have to multiply with 3 both sides. So this will be p by 3 into 3 is equals to 2 into 3. So this 3 got cancelled and 2 3s are 6. So answer we got p is equals to 6. See in this one, second one, they have given multiplication as well as division. So first I am removing the multiplication part. So I have written we have to divide with 20 both sides, because 20p in the meaning is 20p meaning is 20 into p. So I am going to divide, I am going to remove that 20 first. So I have to divide with 20 both sides. So 20p by 3 into 20, because 20 also is going to be coming in the denominator only, because we are dividing with 20. So 20 got cancelled and 21s are 22s are. So I have got the answer as p by 3 is equals to 2. I want the value of p. So I have to remove this 3 also. Here 3 is in the denominator, that is in the division part. So I have to multiply with 3. So p by 3 into 3 is equals to 2 into 3. So this 3 got cancelled and I have got p is equals to 2 into 3, 6. This is one of your type of finding the variables. Now next question. C part. C part. They have given here 5m plus 7 is equals to 17. 5m plus 7 is equals to 17. They have given multiplication as well as addition. So first we are going to remove that addition part. So we have to subtract. First we have to subtract minus 7 both sides. So this will become 5m plus 7 minus 7 is equals to 17 minus 7. Plus 7 minus 7 got cancelled and 17 minus 7 is 10. So I have got the answer as 5m is equals to 10. Now 5 is in the multiplication part. So I have to remove it. So I have to divide. So next one, we have to divide 5 both sides. So this will become 5m by 5 is equals to 10 by 5. 5 and 5 got cancelled and 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are. So here 2 answer. M is equals to 2 is the answer. See, addition part is given as well as multiplication part. So I have removed the addition part by subtracting with minus 7 both sides. So minus 7 got cancelled and 17 minus 7 is 10. So I have got the answer as 5m is equals to 10. And here multiplication is there. So I have to divide with 5 both sides. So I have divided with 5 both sides and I have got the answer as m is equals to 2. Same wise as we have done in the B part, one more question is there, D part. I think you can solve it. So your next question, fourth question. Fourth question is given as solve the equations. Solve the equations. This one, first one they have given as 10p is equals to 100. Again we have to find the value of p. They have given only multiplication part. So we have to divide. So here divide with 10 both sides. So this will become 10p by 10 is equals to 100 by 10. This 10 got cancelled. 10 ones are, 10 tens are. So answer p is equals to 10 is your answer. Next B part they have given as p by 4 is equals to 5. Here division is there. So we have to multiply. So multiply with 4 both sides. So this will become p by 4 into 4 is equals to 5 into 4. 4 and 4 get cancelled. So p is equals to 5 4s are 20. This is your answer. simple solutions only. Just you have to understand what to do, where you have to multiply, where you have to subtract, where you have to divide, and where you have to add. See, once again, when addition, here multiplication is given, you have to divide. When addition is given, you have to subtract. When multiplication is given, you have to divide, and when division is given, you have to multiply. Same wise, means opposite wise you have to do. When multiplication is given, you have to divide, and when divide is given, you have to multiply, and addition is given, you have to subtract, and subtraction is given, you have to add. See, here addition is given, we are subtracting. Here multiplication is given, so we are dividing it. The opposite things you have to do here to find the value of the variable. Next, C part. C part. Minus p by 3 is equals to 5. Minus p by 3 is equals to 5. See, again division is minus p is given. There is no change in the value when the equation is having plus sign or minus sign. Just you have to find the value of the variable only. So here division is given, you have to multiply. So multiply with 3 both sides. So this will be minus p by 3 into 3 is equals to 5 into 3. 3 and 3 got cancelled. So minus p is equals to 15. This is your answer. Minus p is equals to 15. I can change this as plus. P is equals to minus 15. I am going to take this minus sign from here to here. So this will be minus p. That p minus sign comes to the right hand side. So it is 50 minus 15. This is your answer. Next, one more question, D part. They have given here 2 cube plus 6 is equals to 12. 2 cube plus 6 is equals to 12. Here multiplication is given as well as addition is given. First we are going to solve the addition. So subtract minus 6 both sides. So this will be 2 cube plus 6 minus 6 is equals to 12 minus 6. Plus 6 minus 6 got cancelled, and 12 minus 6 is 6. See, 2q is equals to 6 is given. Here multiplication is there. So divide with 2 both sides. So this will be 2 cube by 2 is equals to 6 by 2. 2 and 2 got cancelled. 6 by 2 is 3. So we got the answer. Q is equals to 3 as the answer. Here my addition is given. So we have subtracted with minus 6. And we have got the answer as 2q is equals to 6. And 2q multiplication is there. So we are dividing with 2. And we have got the answer as q is equals to 3. Next, one more question. E part. E part, they have given 3s plus 12 is equals to 0. 3s plus 12 is equals to 0. Till now we have got a number constant on the right hand side. Now we are having a 0 here. There is no difference. Same wise we have to do. Addition is given, we have to subtract. So subtract minus 12 both sides. So this will be 3s plus 12 minus 12 is equals to 0 minus 12. Plus 12 minus 12 got cancelled. 3s is equals to 0 minus 12 is minus 12. So we have to divide. Multiplication is given, so we have to divide. So divide with 3 both sides. So this will be 3s by 3 is equals to minus 12 by 3. 3 and 3 got cancelled. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. So s is equals to minus 4 is your answer. Same wise, only 2 to 3 questions I have left for you to solve it. I hope so you can complete your question. Next exercise, next topic first. See, your next topic is solving the equations only example. In this transpose, I have given the word transpose. I told you when I was explaining the basics, I have used the word transpose. We are going to use this transpose of the numbers in this to solve the equations and find the value of the variable. Example, 3x plus 4 is equals to, say, 12. I told you transpose means along with the sign, the constant which is on the left hand side moves to the right hand side. That is 3x is equals to 12 plus 4. When goes to the right hand side, it becomes minus 4. Once again, transpose means the constants which are on the left hand side along with the sign, when it goes to the right hand side, when it is transposing to the right hand side, means when it is transferring, when we are transferring to the right hand side from the left hand side, when we are transferring it to the right hand side, the sign, when if it is plus sign, it becomes minus sign. If it is minus sign, it becomes plus sign. If it is multiplication sign, it becomes a divide, and if it is a divide, it becomes a multiply. When the number or the constant we are transposing to the right hand side, the plus sign becomes minus sign becomes plus sign, multiplication sign becomes divide, and divide becomes multiply. So that's why from here to here I have transferred this plus 4 to the right hand side. So plus sign became a minus sign. So I have got it as 12 by minus 4 is 8. So I have 3x is equals to 8. I want to find the variable of value of x, not 3x. So I have to, this is 3x means 3 into x is 8. So I am going to transfer this 3 from here to the right hand side. So multiplication, I told you multiplication becomes divide. So this will be x is equals to 8 divided by 3. This is your answer. Once again, let me explain it. See, this is transpose. We are going to use the transpose form to solve the equations, to find the value of the variable. For that, we have to change the LHS, the constant. I told you this side it is LHS and this side it is RHS. The constants which are there on the LHS side along with the sign, when we going to transfer, transpose means transfer only. We are going to change from the left hand side to the right hand side. So we are going to take the along with the sign, the constant, it moves from left hand side to right hand side. So the sign, the number will be the same, but only the sign changes. The sign changes from left hand side to right hand side as plus to minus, minus to plus, multiplication to divide, and divide to multiply. From when we are changing from left hand side to right hand side, the sign changes like this. So this plus 4, when I am transferring to the right hand side, so plus 4 became minus 4, and I have just solved it. 12 minus 4, 8, and here 3x means 3 into x. So I have to transfer this 3x to the right hand side. So multiplication is there, so on the right hand side it became as divide. So the x is equal to 8 by 3. This is your transpose form, how to find the value of the variable using the transpose form. See one more example. Our next example, I am writing, see 8x plus, otherwise minus. Let me do it. I have done plus here. Now let me do minus. Minus 4 is equals to 20. Now to transpose, first I have to transpose this minus 4 from LHS to RHS, and I have told when we are transferring this minus 4 this side, minus becomes plus sign. So this will become 8x is equals to 20 plus 4. This minus 4, when we are transferring it from left hand side to the right hand side, this minus 4 becomes plus 4. So this will be 20 plus 4, it is 24. Now here 8x means 8 into x is equals to 24. So I have to transfer this 8 into, 8 is in multiplication form, from left hand side to right hand side. This multiplication form, I told you this multiplication form transfers to the division form. So 8 x is equals to 24 by 8. 24 divided by 8. See, 8 ones are 8, 8 threes are 24. So I have got the answer as x is equals to 3. See, one more time. Minus 4 we have to transfer to the right hand side. So this minus 4 became plus 4, and 20 plus 4 is 24. And this 8, when we transpose from left hand side to right hand side, 8 into, so it becomes a divide sign. So 24 divided by 8, it is 3. So multiplication sign transferred to the right hand side, transposed to the right hand side, it becomes a divide sign, and minus sign becomes a plus sign. This is your one example, and in the first example I have given plus sign is transposed to the minus sign, and here again multiplication sign is transferred to the divide sign. One more example. Let me write 3 by 2x plus 4 is equals to 12. Here I have given a multiply also, a divide also, and a plus also. First we have to transpose for addition. So I am going to transpose this plus 4 to the right hand side. So this will become 3 by 2 x is equals to 12 minus 4. So 12 minus 4 is 8. So I have got the answer 3 into x by 2 is equals to 8. I want to transpose this 3 into to the right hand side, that is 3 by 2. The whole thing I can transpose from the left hand side to the right hand side. So this multiplication will become, so x is equals to 8. This multiply 1 will become the divide 1, and this divide 1 will become the multiplication 1. One more time, see. I hope you understand the plus and minus sign. So I have transferred this plus 4 to minus 4, and I have got the answer as 8. Now here 3 by 2. 3 by 2. 3 by 2 into x is equals to 8. I got the answer. So I want this to transpose the whole 3 by 2 to the right hand side. I told you into sign, it will become a divide sign. So this side it will be divide. So 8 by 3. And this divided by 2, division will become to multiplication. So into 2. So I have written the same thing here. So 8 into 2 by 3, that is 16 divided by 3. This is your answer. That is x is equals to 16 by 3. This is your x value variable. I have transferred the multiplication sign as well as the division sign exactly both at once. So multiplication became a division 1 and division 1 became a multiplication 1. So I have got the answer. These type of questions we are going to solve in our next exercise. This type of questions are called transposition questions, and we are transposing the left hand side constants to the right hand side to find the variable of the find the value of the variable. I hope you have understood this. We are going to continue in the next class, that is exercise 4.3. In this exercise 4.3, we are going to use this transpose way of solving the equations and finding the value of the variable.